Hello, this is a Kitchen Advisor channel. As always, we share the best recipes for busy families. Today, we are making stuffed peppers in Instant Pot. Wash tomatoes and cut them into halves. Then place them into the inner pot. Pour a cup of water. Season with salt and black pepper. 2 bay leaves will bring extra flavor to your meal. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sitting position. Select Pressure Cook Program and set time to 1 minute. When time is up, make a quick release. When the lid comes off, remove bay leaves and blend tomatoes. Set the tomato juice aside. Select Sauté program and pour sunflower oil into the inner pot. Cut a carrot and an onion into cubes and sauté them for about 6 minutes. Cancel Sauté program. Mix 1½ pounds of ground beef and 1½ pounds of ground pork in the large bowl. Add 1 cup of cooked rice and 5 cloves of minced garlic. Now it's time to add seared carrot and onion. Season with salt and black pepper to your taste. Mix it thoroughly. Add approximately a quarter of homemade tomato juice and mix it well. Remove and discard the tops, seeds, and membranes of the bell peppers. Spoon an equal amount of mixture into each hollowed pepper. Place 12 stuffed bell peppers into the inner pot and pour the remaining tomato juice over the top. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select Pressure Cook Program, choose High Pressure Mode and set time to 8 minutes. When time is up, make a quick release. It smells so nice. You may serve it with sour cream and sprinkle with dill. It will bring extra creaminess and flavor. If you like the recipe, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website, akitchenadvisor.com, for more Instant Pot recipes.